GMDC, the Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited, a Government of Gujarat undertaking. Established in 1963, the Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited, GMDC, is a major state-owned minerals and lignite mining company of India. GMDC operates 6 lignite mines, namely Panandro, Matano Mud, Rajpardi, Tarkeshwar, Bhavnagar and Umarsar. The company has bauxite mining operations at its Gharsisa group of mines in Kutch district and Mevasa bauxite mines in Devbhoomi Dwarka. The company's fluorspar project is located at Kadipani in the district of Chota Udaipur. The manganese project is located at Shivrajpur. Lignite is popularly termed as brown gold all over the world. Gujarat is rich in high-grade lignite. GMDC owns the rights to more than 80% of state's lignite reserves. GMDC is the largest merchant seller and second largest lignite producing company in the country. Bauxite mining in Gujarat was started way back in 1964 at Kutch district. The bauxite mining operation was then expanded to 8 operating mines known as the Gharsisa group of mines that produces bauxite, which is the raw material for metallurgical and non-metallurgical uses. The Mevasa bauxite mine of GMDC, located in the Devbhoomi Dwarka district of Gujarat, has bauxite reserves of over 6.77 million metric tons. Fluorspar is the commercial name for the mineral fluorite. In India, the fluorspar mineral is available only in Gujarat. In 1971, a beneficiation plant was commissioned by GMDC to process 500 metric ton per day of fluorspar ore at Kadipani and to produce calcium fluoride used for manufacturing of hydrofluoric acid and as flux in metallurgical industries. Manganese is mainly used in iron and steel. Gujarat has 1.6 million tons of manganese ore reserves in the tribal-dominated Panchmahal district, while the neighbouring Dahod district also has large reserves of it. In 2006, the government of Gujarat mandated the GMDC to develop the manganese resources near Shivrajpur in Panchmahal. Taking good care of health of mines and persons working in the mining areas, regular water sprinkling is done round the clock to suppress the dust. The company adopts best suited measures to prevent and control pollution at its facilities. Once the mining is completed, the mine reclamation process of restoring land that has been mined to a natural or economically usable state begins. GMDC has an elaborate process towards reclamation of mined out area by backfilling and afforestation. The company has developed green belts in harmony with nature. GMDC has its 250 megawatt power project located at Nanicher in the district of Kutch, and a 5 megawatt solar power project is situated at mined out area at Panandro lignite project. In the year 2009, as a commitment towards environment care and to have green footprints, GMDC ventured into harnessing the wind energy and commissioned 200.9 megawatt wind turbines in Kutch, Porbandar, Devbhoomi Dwarka, Jamnagar, Rajkot and Bhavnagar. GMDC has the concept of building good relations with the communities where it operates. It believes in effective community investment by way of holistic developmental activities. As part of its social responsibility, GMDC has embarked upon various projects around its facilities and elsewhere. These projects cater to the humanitarian and social needs of the families residing there. The initiatives include livelihood augmentation, micro-irrigation, water harvesting, and health interventions. Development of rural infrastructure such as schools, hospitals, roads has been the focus area. Clean drinking water have immensely contributed to the overall socio-economic development in the affected areas. In order to preserve the ethos of nationalism spearheaded by Shyamji Krishna Varma for future generations, GMDC, under the aegis of Gujarat government, is managing a memorial in the form of Kranti Tirth at Mandvi, where the urn brought out by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has been kept. As GMDC continues to grow, it aims at capitalizing on opportunities that come on its way, exploring the unexplored mineral wealth of the state, expanding to newer areas of quest for natural resources in the state, developing strategies for value addition by exploring mining opportunities outside Gujarat. GMDC, the Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited, a Government of Gujarat undertaking.